just going sideways does not help our position at all. It doesn't help at all. We want movement. We want to be able to get in when we have an opportunity to capture extreme price movements. This is actual trading. I mean, this is my real money. This is my own money that I'm putting on the line to trade this stuff. And you know, if I can, even if I only make a $25 profit on a trade, I'll take it, because money is money. Who's gonna hand you 25 bucks, right? So, but the thing is, I do not want to take a trade in which I am uncertain. I want some confirmation from the internals in the price action itself. Let's see if we can get one more in here before I close out this video. We may not get one though. I'll wait a couple minutes. Just a couple of minutes, that's all. The only thing that bothers me is this topping tail here. We may have to turn our attention elsewhere. Let's see what else I can find. There's not much action anywhere right now. So we'll stick with the DDM. We've had pretty good success with them so far today. Well, I turned my eyes away and I missed that trade. I could have caught a few pennies here. The market internals and everything else look like they're lining up. The only thing that bothers me is this little topping tail here. I'm not a big fan of that. So I may go to the DDM and see if, in fact, you know, I like to trade these extremes. So I'd rather set that up as an extreme trade here. I don't like that topping tail either, but I got a topping tail at the bottom. I got topping tails at the top. What does that tell you? Well, it means it's probably this thing. You know, we could end up trading sideways for the rest of the day, and it's only 12:28. You know, so let's see what happens here. You know, I'm playing chess with the market, and the market, you know, when the market makes a move, you know, let me show you these internals again, because I'm constantly looking at these. When these trade down, normally, I've got this on a 1-minute chart. Normally, when these trade down, the prices follow. So I'm using this as a leading indicator of prices. You know, they turn green as soon as the new bar comes up, but then they turn red. I want to see if they continue to turn red or they do actually turn green. I just don't like these. I just don't like that little topping bar there. That wick. That's the only reason I didn't take this trade, and it would have turned out to be a good trade, but it was too much. It was high risk in my estimation. It's high risk. Yeah, we're kind of at an extreme here. This might actually be a good place to enter. Let's see. I'm getting green bars on my advanced decline and my volume levels. This could be a good entry point here. Let's see where we're trading. It's just not trading at all. I'm going to go for it here. I'm going to get in. I see everything is going green. Oops. Let's see if we get a little rally here. We should get a rally. All the internals are going green. Yeah, my internals, I've got 3 green bars in a row now. I'll just show you my internals real quick. I've got 3 green bars and it just jumped up. I've got only 1 green bar on volume, but that shows me that there's some strength here, so I might be able to get out of this with a nice little profit. 53.46. I am going to take 400 off. I like to capture as much profit as I can as soon as I see some extreme levels here. My internals look good. My instrument panel is good. I'm playing chess with the market. The market made a move. I responded. And oh, we're up 17 issues now. I am trading against the trend of the market, though. I am trading against the trend, so you have to be extremely nimble when trading against the trend of the market. I'm going to get out at 400 shares there, take a small profit. I still have 100 shares left. What did I get out? I only got about 14 cents on there. I didn't get very much, but it was enough. It was enough for a little profit. I still have 100 shares left, and I can let that ride. I don't like to do that when I'm trading against the market, though. But I mean, I'm getting some green bars over here, so you know, I may let this ride a little bit. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 green bars on my advanced decline issues. I've got 2 green bars on my volume. So, you know, I can afford to hang in there a little bit with these last 100 shares. See if it makes me some money. It does seem like it wants to go a little bit higher.